In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit master slide layouts. If you've ever found yourself changing the same font, color, or text box on slide after slide, master slide layouts are going to save you a ton of time. They let you set the overall look and structure once, and those choices carry across your presentation automatically. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply so you can get consistent, professional results. First, open your presentation. Make sure you're in the file you actually want to update, because the changes you make to the master will influence the slides that use those layouts. It's helpful to take a quick look through a few slides to note what needs to be consistent. Things like title fonts, body text size, colors, and where images or text should sit. Next, go to the slide menu and choose Edit Master. This opens the master view. Here you'll see a top-level master slide that controls the default styles for the entire presentation, along with a set of individual layouts beneath it. Think of the master slide as the overall theme, and each layout as a template for specific types of slides, like title slides, section headers, or content slides. Now select either the main master slide or a specific layout you want to adjust. If you want a global change, like updating the default font for titles everywhere, select the main master. If you only want to refine the appearance of a certain slide type, say the title and content layout, click just that layout. Choosing the right level helps you avoid unintended changes to slides that don't need them. Make your changes thoughtfully. Update fonts to your preferred family, weights, and sizes so titles, subtitles, and body text feel consistent. Adjust colors to align with your brand or theme. Using theme colors instead of custom ones keeps everything cohesive if the theme changes later. Tweak placeholders, those predefined boxes for text, images, and other content, so they're positioned and sized exactly where you want content to appear on slides. You can move them, resize them, and format their default text styles to guide anyone building slides to place content correctly. Small refinements here, like consistent margins and alignment, will make a big difference in readability. When you're done, close the master view to return to your presentation. Your edits now apply to all slides that use the layouts you adjusted. If a particular slide doesn't reflect a change, it may have manual formatting that overrides the master, which is normal. From here, review a few slides to confirm everything looks consistent. And that's it. By editing master slide layouts, you build in consistency once and reap the benefits across every slide you create.